Hello students, we at IMS are pleased to announce that CUET Score Calculator 26 is live. This is the website imsindia.com/score-calculator/CUET/. Go to this website, all the steps are mentioned how to do it. Here you have to upload the file, you have to upload your response sheet. How to download response sheet, that is also mentioned over here. Now there is step 4, if you see, after the declaration of NTA CUET 26 UG results, and after you will get your final scorecards, because this is the raw score calculation. After you get the final scorecards, will help you for your Delhi University CSAS phase 2 preference filling phase, right? Very important for all the colleges and all the courses. Now how to download response sheet? Click over here. All the steps are mentioned. You have to go to official website. If you click this is the official website, right? cu.nta.nic.in. Remember that response sheet, provisional answer keys and challenge is up till 11 June 26 up to 10 p.m. Now scroll answer key challenge, go to this page, application number, password and CAPTCHA Q219, login. Now you have logged in. Now you can download your response sheets. There are 2 response sheets available over here. As you can see, I have to click over here and you have to save this. How to save? You can use the command Control S. So Control S, right? Save this as web page HTML only. Now save this, it will be saved, right? Now once it is saved, you have to upload. Go to the score calculator, upload file, remember the folder, upload. You have to enter your mobile number because your scores will be saved and you can log in afterwards and see all your scores saved over here, and which will obviously help you in future when we will help you for your Delhi University CSAS phase 2 preference filling phase. Send OTP. Let me see the OTP. So it is 504840. Verify and continue. See, the response sheet is getting processed. It's verified. Now how to calculate the score? You can obviously upload the other file also, which you can see it is here. You have to download and upload. You can do that also. The same steps will be followed. Now let me show you how to calculate the score. Calculate my score. It's also mentioned over here how to upload your answer key. Your scores on the way. So click over here. How to upload? All the steps are mentioned over here. Just read it. Right? All the steps are mentioned. So how to do it? You have to go to your portal of NTA, click to view challenge answer key, click the response sheet which I uploaded. You have to drag and save from here, drag and save. So you have to save till the last question of all the subjects of this response sheet. Control C to save, go to the score calculator, Control V to paste, Control C to save, Control V to paste. Okay, you can remove the space also, the last space. Calculate my score. See, the scores are calculated. So GT, chemistry, English, scores are calculated. Similarly, you can add another response sheet and calculate your other scores as well. Also, your response sheet, everything correct, skipped, you can see the response sheet over here. All the questions will be displayed for all the response sheets. So use this and share with your friends. These are very easy steps. I know manually calculating the scores is a tedious process. So stay tuned with IMS CUET channel. Subscribe if you have not subscribed so far, right? And use this tool to your best advantage. All the best. God bless you and thank you.